Hello guys, want to write Python code in Visual Studio Code? Let's set it up step by step. Okay, so first we need to download the Visual Studio Code from the official site, and for that just type code.visualstudio.com in search engine, and you could see a download button for Windows or Mac or Linux, respect to which operating system you're using, and just click the download button. Okay, and after that you just need to install and launch the Visual Studio Code. So let's wait until it gets installed. Okay, so next we need to install the Python if you don't have it. For that you need to search python.org and download the latest Python version. Before you install it, you just need to check the add python to path box, or if you search it in the command prompt, it would just show the Python is not found like this. So don't forget to check the box add python to path before installing. Okay, now let's install it. Okay, let's check if it is installed using the command prompt, and for that we need to open the command prompt and type python space double hyphen version and enter, and you could see that if it is installed it would display the Python along with its version. Okay, now let's open the Visual Studio Code. Click on the extensions, or you could just simply press on Ctrl Shift and X to open it. Search for Python and install it. Now it is installed. Let's open the file menu and select the new file and create a Python file known as test.py and save it. Okay, now let's write a basic command, hello world. So I'm typing the command and click on run button. So you could see that the Python script is running in the Visual Studio Code terminal, and here is our output. Okay, now let's open the extensions button again and ensure that we have enabled the Python IntelliSense and auto completion mode. So just open the extension bar and type pylens. Yep, it's already installed in here. Let's click on the settings bar, and if it is not enabled, just enable it. This feature helps you write code faster and with fewer errors in Visual Studio Code, and it's really helpful for the coders. And that's it. Thanks for all your support, and see you till next video.